Welcome to WPForms. In this video, we'll look at WPForms' easy-to-use features and add-ons. Our powerful drag-and-drop builder lets you create forms with just a few clicks. You can start from scratch or use one of our pre-built form templates to build your form in seconds and customize it as you need to. WPForms is 100% mobile responsive, meaning that your forms will work on mobile, tablets, and desktops. You can easily collect payments, donations, and online orders without hiring a developer or writing any code. With just a few clicks, you can create email subscription forms and connect it to your favorite email marketing service. Our smart conditional logic allows you to create high-performing forms that are super flexible. With form notification, you can respond as soon as you get a lead in your mailbox. Want to view all your leads in one place? No problem. Our entry management allows you to look at all your leads on a single screen. We know that spam is a huge problem. That's why our Smart CAPTCHA and Honeypot solution automatically blocks out all spam submissions. Want to customize the look of your form? You can use our CSS add-on to make your form look exactly the way you want. And when your form is ready, you can easily embed it in blog posts, pages, sidebar widgets, and more. We took the pain out of creating online forms and made it easy. Get started with WPForms today.